Hey, good afternoon, folks. Just out having fun with the AirRifles, and just thought I'd have a bit of a talk or say something about some of these pellets. I'm having fun with my Benjamin Classic in a 22. It is a sub 500, and looking for a decent pellet. Man, you can't go wrong with these. You can find them in a lot of places. They're usually they go on sale, and as you can see, it's the ultimate hunting pellet assortment from Benjamin Discovery. And as they claim, precision tooling provides excellent quality. 100, you get 400. Super point, domed, pointed, and hollow point. And I have to say, whether firing through a sub 500 or a Magnum greater than 500, man, you can't go wrong. Come in a neat little package, 100 each. And here's, see if hopefully this will focus. There's the 4 different pellets. Got your super pointed, your domed, like a pointed, expanding, and hollow point. Some refer to the pointed, expanding, especially if you buy them from Crossmen, they can call them the Destroyer. But all 4 pellets fly really well, good damage, and for the price point, man, you can't go wrong. So anyways, just thought I would blab on with my coffee, taking a break from the shooting, having fun, and yeah, just thought I'd share that with you folks. Wishing you all a great day. Take care.